big refurb. Okay, what we're going to be doing is this wall, which is almost not a wall, is coming down. Floors are coming up and we're going to put new floor in. Although it's been a nice floor at some point in its life, but look around here, there's some sort of cupboard or whatever was in there, so it has to be changed. All paper's coming off. Helmet, so that we get nice clean lines. Yeah, that'll come off alright. And that's what we're up to. Right, we've moved all the stuff into the kitchen. Majority of it. And the next job now is take the door off and the wall down. Isolate the electrics and have that blind down as well.
Right, so we've got the blinds down. The blinds are going back up because they're alright. Now we're looking at the what's this? Light switch.
How'd you find the holes in that?
Good job of sitting down there. And I think the next job is this wall coming down, isn't it?
That's just wrapped around that. Yeah, the wall's coming, the door's coming off in a minute.
Door's coming off.
Actually, I'll have that over in now.
Door's coming off. Wall's coming down. The electrics have been turned off by the way, haven't they?
Yeah. Yes, the electrics has been turned off. Roof.
Dead.
No attempt to ever put that in.
So as we can see, this wall wasn't exactly put up by master craftsmen.
Is the wall over the floor?
No.
Because we want to save as much as this to repair the other one.
So already looking brighter and roomier.
Yeah, paper's coming off quite well.
Yeah.
Which is always a good thing. Obviously we're going to need the steamer for the backing.
There's like 2 papers.
Yeah, but we should be alright. There's a big crack and it's a bore all the way along. So, but it is crack and plaster, so it's not going to go anywhere.
But we'll soon find out.
We will when we get the paper off. What?
It's a bit naughty. That is quite the gap.
It's flat and plaster though, so...
It should be strong, do you think?
Yeah. Push it. Yeah, you got a bit of movement, like
yeah, all the way along.
Flexible filler.
Flexible, it'd be fine. Right, so far we've took this wall down. Wall is down, it's all nice and bright again now, isn't it?
Lovely.
So we've started taking the paper off the ceiling. Some of it has come down really well, like this over here.
Some of it's welded on.
And some of it's proper well done, like over here.
This door frame is out of line. You can see it is because obviously it's moved over, but it's had a bit of overzealous plastering. If we can get that back to somewhere, take the back moulds off,
square it up.
It's got to be squared up by the look of it, otherwise it won't open. You can see it's running out on the top, so the door coming in will hit the floor. But you could put, depending on how you can get it, you could put lifting hinges, and you might get away with it.
But progress.
And someone's drilled a hole through it when they put the floor down. Problem.